Basically, that's what we're gonna be replacing today. And this is the LED side markers, and which is really easy to do it. All the way down, unfortunately, you're not gonna be able to see it. Approximately, it's sitting on the same spot as the actual marker. So it's pretty hardcore. It's sitting pretty tough in there. And that's what we got in there. Basically, we're gonna be swapping with that guy. Now we simply need to push the two clamps, turn it the clockwise, and pull it out. Just gotta do what I gotta do. Anyway, now we gotta slide our light bulb back into the spot. Similarly, you gotta slide your hand all the way here, but apparently that's what we got. So the light is much brighter. This is the passenger side. We still did not replace the original light bulb sitting in there, and it's hard to see it, but it is what it is. And now that's the new piece, which is kind of lights up pretty nicely, pretty firmly. Emergency light. Apparently it lights up with the all flashes, back one and the front one. So it's really strong. Comparing to the that side, it just like times brighter. So this is the difference. And in the night time, it's gonna be even better. If I'm gonna shut down the light here, it's just crazy how big of a difference here. So that's what we have right now. Anyway guys, if you like the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel here or there, and leave me a comment below, and press the green bell button, and I'll see you in the next one.